Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel, English Speaking Smart Daily. Do you want to speak English confidently? The real secret is simpler than you think. Forget complicated grammar and huge vocabulary lists. The key isn't translating in your head, it's thinking in English. And to do that, you just need the right sentences for daily life. Today I'm going to share with you 9 powerful sentences. Yes, just 9 sentences. These sentences are your key to thinking in English and speaking naturally. They will help you talk about almost anything. Let's begin, but before I share these sentences with you, let me ask you something. Do you feel stuck? You have studied grammar for years, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. It's frustrating, right? You worry about making mistakes. You worry about your accent. You worry about people judging you. But today, all of that stops. Today, we change everything about how you learn. I found the secret, the real secret that native speakers use every day. You don't need to memorize thousands of words or complex rules. No, that is a waste of time. You only need these Jolter specific sentences to handle almost any conversation in your daily life. I want to make a promise to you right now, a real promise from my heart. If you learn these Jolter sentences, if you really practice them, I guarantee you will start speaking English. Listen to me carefully, then repeat after me 2 times. This double practice will help your mouth remember the words. Let's begin. Do you know what is for dinner? Do you know what is for dinner? I am absolutely starving right now. I am absolutely starving right now. Note, starving is a common way to say you are extremely hungry and need to eat immediately. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Where exactly are you right now? Where exactly are you right now? I am just relaxing at home. I am just relaxing at home. I will see you later today. I will see you later today. Take care on your way back home. Take care on your way back home. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful day. I forgot what I was going to say. I forgot what I was going to say. Could you repeat that one more time? Could you repeat that one more time? Please speak a little slower for me. Please speak a little slower for me. I understand exactly what you mean. I understand exactly what you mean. I'm sorry, but I really don't get it. I'm sorry, but I really don't get it. Do you know what this word means? Do you know what this word means? It is getting quite cold outside. It is getting quite cold outside. The weather is boiling hot today. The weather is boiling hot today. I need some coffee to wake up. Weekly coffee fought. I need some coffee to wake up. Where is the nearest bathroom, please? Where is the nearest bathroom, please? It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a pleasure meeting you. Long time no see. How are you? Long time no see. How are you? How is it going with you today? How is it going with you today? I am doing really well, thank you. I am doing really well, thank you. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? Not much. Just the usual daily stuff. Not much, just the usual daily stuff. Could you please help me with this? Could you please help me with this? I am already on my way there. I am already on my way there. Use this to tell someone that you have already left your house and you are traveling to meet them. Give me just a second, please. Give me just a second, please. I will be right back very soon. I will be right back very soon. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I'm not really sure about that. I'm not really sure about that. Let me check and tell you. Let me check and tell you. It is really no big deal. It is really no big deal. Use this phrase when someone apologizes for a small mistake to show them that you are not upset. Please don't worry about it at all. Please don't worry about it at all. I am totally exhausted after work today. I am totally exhausted after work today. Exhausted is a strong word that means you have absolutely no energy left to do anything. It was a very busy weekend. It was a very busy weekend. I just stayed at home today. I just stayed at home today. Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? I'm just taking it easy now. I'm just taking it easy now. That is actually a very funny joke. That is actually a very funny joke. Are you being serious right now? Are you being serious right now? I'm just kidding with you. I'm just kidding with you. Believe me, I am telling the truth. Believe me, I am telling the truth. I will try my best to do it. I will try my best to do it. I am sorry. It was my fault. I am sorry. It was my fault. That is no problem at all. That is no problem at all. Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Please tell me more about it. Please tell me more about it. I told. Please tell me more about it. Don't worry, I am listening to you. Don't worry, I am listening to you. Please slow down a little bit. Please slow down a little bit. Please keep going with your story. Please keep going with your story. I think you are absolutely right. I think you are absolutely right. I'm sorry, but I have to disagree. I'm sorry, but I have to disagree. Maybe we can do it next time. Maybe we can do it next time. I am quite busy right now. I am quite busy right now. Let's go and do it together. Let's go and do it together. I am ready to leave now. I am ready to leave now. Are you ready to start yet? Are you ready to start yet? Let's go out for a walk. Let's go out for a walk. I am getting tired of this. I am getting tired of this. This is absolutely amazing news. This is absolutely amazing news. I am so happy for your success. I am so happy for your success. Good luck with your new project. Good luck with your new project. I know that you can do it. I know that you can do it. Please don't give up just yet. Please don't give up just yet. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? It is almost 8:00 now. It is almost 8:00 TC tat ling now. Oh no, I am running late. Oh no, I am running late. Hurry up, we are going to be late. Hurry up, we are going to be late. Please take your time. No rush. Please take your time. No rush. You really need to calm down. You really need to calm down. Is everything okay with you today? Is everything okay with you today? I'm feeling a little bit sick. I am feeling a little bit sick. I really need a short break. I really need a short break. Let's go and take a walk outside. Let's go and take a walk outside. The weather is so nice today. The weather is so nice today. I really love this new song. I really love this new song. Please turn the volume up a bit. Please turn the volume up a bit. It is way too loud in here. It is way too loud in here. Can you hear what I'm saying? Can you hear what I'm saying? I can't hear you very well. I can't hear you very well. My phone battery has just died. My phone battery has just died. Do you know where my charger is? Do you know where my charger is? Please call me back a bit later. I will send you a text soon. Let's try to meet up soon. What is the plan for today? I am really looking forward to it. That is a very good idea. I don't mind whatever you choose. I don't mind whatever you choose. It is completely up to you. It is completely up to you. I don't really care about that. I don't really care about that. Are you absolutely sure about this? Are you absolutely sure about this? I am positive that it's true. I am positive that it's true. Please trust me on this one. Please trust me on this one. I promise I will be there. I promise I will be there. It is definitely worth a try. It is definitely worth a try. Let's keep in touch from now on. Let's keep in touch from now on. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. You look great in that outfit. You look great in that outfit. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I can speak English very fluently. I can speak English very fluently. So there you have it. Those were the jolt sentences that will change your life. Think about it for a moment. You don't need to study for 5 more years to start speaking. You have everything you need right here in this list. These sentences cover your morning, your work, your feelings, and your social life. The secret isn't knowing more words. Wait, it's being comfortable with the right ones. By practicing these sentences, you are training your brain to stop translating and start thinking in English. If you practice these, you aren't just learning English anymore. You are living it. Consistency is the only bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. Make these jolt sentences your new best friends. Use them until they feel as natural as breathing. I promise you, if you do this, your fear of speaking will simply disappear. You are much closer to fluency than you think. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing and never stop. I'm so proud of the progress you are making. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way,